selecting and uses tools and resources to design and develop an enterprise computing system. EC-11-08. Businesses use different software tools to create and manage interactive media systems. These tools help in designing websites, managing content, and analyzing user data. Examples: Figma and Adobe XD for interface design are essential tools in enterprise computing systems, particularly in UI/UX design, prototyping, and collaborative workflows. Adobe Dreamweaver and WordPress for website development. Enterprises use authoring tools such as Dreamweaver to design and manage websites without coding knowledge. Adobe Express and Canva for social media content are online tools used on interactive media platforms to design posts, videos, and presentations for enterprise computing systems.